Did you know that your very own home might be hiding invisible enemies that threaten your health? Many of the items we use daily without a second thought could be increasing the risk of serious diseases, including cancer. In this video, we'll reveal 10 common household items that could cause cancer, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Get ready to be surprised, as some of these items might be in your home right now. Number 1. Artificial sweeteners. As people become more health conscious, many opt for artificial sweeteners as a seemingly healthier alternative to sugar. But is this really a better choice? Substances like aspartame, saccharin, and sorbitol are found in many diet foods and beverages, but studies suggest these sweeteners may be linked to an increased risk of cancer, especially in large doses. For example, research from the European Food Safety Authority showed that aspartame can break down into toxic compounds, potentially raising the risk of tumors in laboratory rats. While these studies are still controversial, the frequent use of artificial sweeteners raises serious concerns. A healthier alternative? Try natural sweeteners like stevia and erythritol, which are not only safe but can also promote gut health and reduce blood pressure. Number 2. Air fresheners. Who doesn't love a fresh, pleasant-smelling environment? However, commercial air fresheners hide a darker side. Many contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, like phthalates and formaldehyde, which can cause respiratory irritation and have been linked to a higher risk of lung cancer and other chronic respiratory issues. According to the American Lung Association, continuous exposure to these products can be harmful in the long run, especially for children and the elderly. Instead, consider using natural alternatives such as essential oils or fresh flowers to purify your environment safely without the health risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these household items surprised you the most, or how you plan to make your home healthier. Number 3. Commercial cleaning products. We all want a clean home, but did you know that commercial cleaning products might be doing more harm than good? Many of these products contain chemicals like ammonia, chlorine, and phthalates that can release toxic compounds into the air, especially in poorly ventilated areas. Additionally, studies show that long-term exposure to these products can contribute to the development of hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. To avoid these risks, switch to natural cleaning products like vinegar and baking soda. They're just as effective and much safer for your health and the environment. Number 4. Plastic bottles and food containers. Have you ever wondered what happens to plastic when it comes into contact with your food or drinks? Chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, found in many plastic bottles and containers, can leach into the contents inside, especially when exposed to heat. BPA has been linked to a range of health issues, including hormonal disruptions, fertility problems, and a higher risk of hormone-related cancers. A simple solution? Switch to glass or reusable metal bottles and containers, which are BPA-free and more eco-friendly. Number 5. Non-stick cookware. While non-stick cookware is convenient, it can release harmful substances when heated to high temperatures. Chemicals like perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, used in non-stick coatings are known carcinogens. Studies suggest that exposure to these compounds may be linked to liver, testicular, and kidney cancers. For safer cooking, opt for cookware made from ceramic, cast iron, or stainless steel. Number 6. Toothpaste. Surprisingly, even your daily brushing routine might be exposing you to harmful substances. Some commercial toothpastes contain saccharin, an artificial sweetener classified as a potential carcinogen. Although high exposure is required to pose a significant risk, it's always better to be cautious. Another concern is excessive fluoride use, which can lead to dental fluorosis and has been linked to bone damage in extreme cases. Natural alternatives like coconut oil offer a safer and more effective solution for oral hygiene. Number 7. Anti-dandruff shampoos. The shampoo you use daily might contain dangerous ingredients like methylchloroisothiazolinone, which has been linked to DNA mutations and may increase the risk of cancer. Additionally, dioxin, which can be present in some personal care products, is a known carcinogen. To avoid these risks, choose hair products that are free from harmful chemicals and opt for natural, organic shampoos. Number 8. Mothballs. You might use mothballs to protect your clothes from moth infestations, but the truth is these products could be doing more harm than good. The active ingredient, naphthalene, is highly toxic and has been classified as a possible carcinogen. Exposure to naphthalene can cause liver and kidney damage and may lead to the development of hemolytic anemia. For a safer solution, try using natural moth repellents like cedar or lavender, which don't carry the same health risks. Number 9. Antibacterial soaps. Many antibacterial soaps contain triclosan, a substance that has been banned in several products in the United States due to its potential to contribute to bacterial resistance and disrupt hormones. Triclosan has also been linked to an increased cancer risk in animal studies. The alternative? Natural soaps made with essential oils, which not only clean effectively, but also protect your health in the long term. Number 10. Flea and tick treatments. If you have pets, you've probably used flea and tick treatments. However, many of these products contain fipronil, a pesticide that can cause serious health problems for both animals and humans. In large doses, fipronil can cause seizures and has been classified as a possible human carcinogen. To protect your pets and family, consult your veterinarian about safer options, such as natural, less toxic treatments. Now that you know the hidden dangers lurking in your home, it's time to take action. Replacing these items with natural and safe alternatives can make a huge difference in your health and the health of your family. Your home should be a place of protection, not risk. And remember, small changes today can prevent big problems tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to. Want to learn more about protecting your health? Stay tuned for more videos appearing on your screen right now.